नई दिल्ली में इंडो रशियन एजुकेशन समिट 2026 का भव्य शुभारंभ हुआ, जहां भारत और रूस के शीर्ष शिक्षाविद और सरकारी प्रतिनिधि एक मंच पर पहुंचे। समिट में मेडिकल एजुकेशन, एआई, रोबोटिक्स, एरोस्पेस और छात्र विनिमय जैसे अहम विषयों पर चर्चा हुई। रूस एजुकेशन, रूसी दूतावास और रशियन हाउस के सहयोग से आयोजित इस कार्यक्रम का उद्देश्य भारत रूस शैक्षणिक सहयोग को और मजबूत करना है। विशेषज्ञों ने इसे भविष्य की शिक्षा और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय साझेदारी की दिशा में बड़ा कदम बताया।
Today we have inaugurated the second Russia-India Education Summit, which is a very welcoming development because both our countries have a long-standing tradition and history of cooperation and ties in education. Over the decades, so many hundreds of thousands of Indian students have studied in Russia, got qualified in Russia, and then contributed a great deal to the development of this country. So in the current circumstances, at the current stage, we are very eager to explore new avenues in education cooperation, to expand on this track. And we have started this process. The number of Indian students studying in Russia has increased. Russian universities are coming to India en masse and explore opportunities that have opened here in this country. In my address, I mentioned the new education policy through which we are very keen to cooperate with India. We offer lots of opportunities in Russia for the Indian students, foreign students in general, in various fields. There's medicine, engineering, political sciences, healthcare, so many areas in which we can expand and in which we can go forward together so that education becomes even stronger pillar of the overall strategic partnership between our countries. So this forum, we're not the only one here who are keen to expand cooperation with Indian education, but we want to be in the front rows of this process, and there is every opportunity for us to do so. Russia has very rigorous educational standards, the high quality scientific school, globally renowned. India has progressed a lot, especially lately, in educational standards. There's so much to gain from each other, and together I'm confident we can make the education track in our overall cooperation, our strategic partnership, a very strong pillar. I'm confident this summit today, the education fair we will hold tomorrow, will be a huge success, and I see a lot of enthusiasm and a very strong response from the audience that is here, and we're hopeful that we will continue this series of education summits in future. This is the second one, so we will continue with it. Thank you.